A quick update on how the Republic Day celebrations are panning across the nation. We go to Agartala in Northeast, from where Kunal Shinde joins us. Kunal, good morning. Wishing you Republic Day greetings. Take us through the celebrations there, please. Over to you.
Good morning, Sakal and Mark. Warm greetings on the 76th Republic Day to both of you and all the viewers across India and around the world who are watching us now. To start with, the Republic Day celebrations have begun in Tripura, Tripura's capital Agartala. In a short while from now, the main function, the main state level function will begin at the Assam Rifles ground, which is in the city. And in the morning, the agriculture minister of the state, Mr. Ratan Lal Nath, he laid wreath and paid floral tributes to the fallen heroes. Also, if we talk about Tripura's role today, Tripura's contribution, the whole focus shifts to Delhi, where the only tableau of from the northeast will be participating at the Kartavya Path in the Republic Day parade to be held in Delhi. So it is very important, and it is a momentous occasion for the diminutive state like Tripura. It is the only state from the northeast which will be participating in the Republic Day parade today. And the main, as we talk about the Swarnim Bharat Virasat or Vikas, the theme of this year's Republic Day. So the Kharchi Puja, which is one of the significant festivals in Tripura, which is celebrated in the month of July.
Okay.
The cultural ethos of Kharchi Puja will be on display in this particular tableau. And if I talk more about the Kharchi Puja, it was primarily celebrated by the indigenous people from this state.
Okay.
From the dynastic period, when the Maharaja Bir Bikram was the dynastic regime was in Tripura years back. But now people from the indigenous community as well as those from the dominant Bengali community are taking part in these festivities. It is a 7-day festivities.
Okay.
And accordingly, this particular festival will be on display in the tableau at Kartavya Path in New Delhi.